Hi all, hope all are safe and good. It's been a very long time talking to you guys. So, the topic of interest today, is it safe to have a COVID vaccine? First of all, thanks all those biotechnologies and doctors who worked in heart and soul to develop this vaccine. So, so, at present in India, we have two brands, COVID Shield and Covaxin. See, any vaccine you take, let it be polio or anything else, we have a lot of vaccines. We have hepatitis B, lot vaccines. There are some vaccine schedules which we take from our very own when we born till that 11 or 12 years of which we have regular vaccines which we have to take. See, any vaccine is there, there will be hypersensitivity reaction. It depends upon each and every individual. It does, like if 1,000 people are getting vaccinated, of course 10 people will get some hypersensitivity reaction. That is manageable. We can't blame the vaccine. The vaccine which they have found, this biotechnologists, the pharmacology department of very good colleges or hospitals, the very good doctors, it's about the heart and soul. They work, they take a lot of risk, they work. And I don't feel much of damages or any of hypersensitive reactions of very high thing hasn't been reported still now in India, especially of this Covaxin and Covishield. But of course, some will have a reaction. Some persons will have a reaction. This is because of their very own immunity. They will get even an allergy or hypersensitive reactions for a dust. So we can't blame the Covaxin or COVID shield just only for the just for creating a bad name. We can't do that. It's actually beneficial. I know personally know a lot of persons who have taken this vaccine and has been feeling good. There are a few persons who said I just got a headache for 1 hour just when they had the vaccine and it was fine for me after that. See, this all is very normal. Even we say a lot of vaccines in our childhood which we take, we'll be having a fever for the next day. That is very normal because the body is building its own immunity. They are giving that immunity and they are giving it as a vaccine. This vaccine, when we take, there are very high chances that it will get a hypersensitivity reaction. It doesn't mean that we can't give a vaccine. COVID has created a greater damage. Every person who is working, every person who is a doctor, there are loss of lives, a lot of deaths happen, a lot of employers have lost job. There is no circulation of money in the market. See, we can't blame the government or anything. It is this COVID which has actually caused much damage, but we need to come out of it. We can't stay with it. So the best thing is to take a vaccine. Of course, vaccines are no, actually it's not a traditional one or something to get up vaccinated until we have a very core strong immunity. If we are like how we are ancestors, like having a very good healthy foods, natural foods, any food that grows in a 100 circle area of 100-kilometer circle of your area, it will be very nice. But it is not the case now. Our food has changed. We eat what we like, and what all damages can bring us. Even our food nowadays, which we are eating, is bringing the stomach cancer, gastric cancer. What I feel is that in future, these foods which we eat, which we have adapted now, having pesticides and all those. Even I take that because I don't have any other go. If it's the same of organic, everything is very costly. Even I can't afford. But still, if everyone can adopt for organic food or something, it will be very nice. But even this pesticides, etc., what is happening is, what I feel is, in future we are having, now we are having breast cancer and oral cancer in top 2, but I feel in future there are very high chances that gastric cancer reaches the number 1. So it's like each and everyone's core immunity. What I want to convey to you what I want to convey you guys is that we are not having that much core immunity which our ancestors had, because our food habit is like that. So we have to say modern problems needs modern solution. There comes the vaccination here. So it is absolutely safe to have this vaccination. And if hypersensitivity reaction develops, please visit a doctor nearby or the place where you get it, where you get vaccinated. Of course you can get it cured, and not much of reactions to happen, and not much of cases reported these days. So I mean hypersensitivity cases are coming up these days. So We don't, if don't want to get vaccinated, it is our own wish, but please don't spoil the name of the vaccine and the vaccine company and all those biotechnologists, the doctors, and all those pharmacologists who worked heart and soul to create this vaccine. It is a boon. I am promised, guys, this is a boon compared to other foreign companies. I don't want to blame any of the companies because everyone have done their great job, but still the high positive reaction which we have, which we are getting reported from those foreign companies, are much more than the what we get from our own companies or our own Indian products. So it is not to be a politics or something to talk about. Made in India actually has its value. And please, if you get a chance to get vaccinated, first think how will your body react for hypersensitivity. If you're more allergic, you feel or something, if you can build your own core immunity, well, you can do. But if you had the feel that no, I want to get a vaccination, please go get vaccinated. It is good, and we want to have a healthy and salubrious life. Thank you, guys, and please share your view on this in my comment section so that we can discuss. And if I get to know anything from you, it will be a knowledge for me also. Thank you.